Adobe stuff on your computer. What you can do is um, use an application to make your website. Uh, and I'm not saying like a program that you install on your computer, but it's actually something you install on your domain. It's hard to explain, but bear with me. Um, for right now, I'm going to use this application. You may have heard of it. It's called Joomla. That's what my dad uses for his websites, and I've seen a lot of other websites being made with it. And if you go to the website www.makeuseof.com, their website actually has a free PDF guide to Joomla, and I definitely recommend checking that out. But anyways, Joomla is an application that you install onto this johnsmith.com. And then with that, you can create the website and it will automatically create the folders and stuff. So pretty much from there, you use Joomla. So let me put that in there. And that's how it's spelled. So you have Joomla. And so Joomla will create the website and the folders. You don't really have to worry about that unless you want to add files, add pictures, whatever, anything that you want on it. So once you go through Joomla, install instance, they call it instance of Joomla, onto www.johnsmith.com. You can create the website, you'll save it, and again, Joomla is free. It's an open source program. Um, what's cool about it is that it has many thousands and thousands of different plugins you can use with it. Some are free, some are not free. You have to pay for them. It all depends on what you want to do. But I definitely recommend Joomla for doing it as it's becoming more popular. Um, so once you do that, you can make the website. Now I see as this kind like there's a line between here. Because right now this is pretty much your stuff right here. And then this is mydomains.com stuff right here. Now, the question is how can I make a website for free? Or can I make a website for free? Well, the first part is yes, you can make a website for free. And that's what this part right here is. But the other thing is you have to pay to host it. So you could have this totally separate, um, but the internet would not be able to find it because it's not hosted by something. So this so when you register www.johnsmith.com on mydomain.com and you apply this with this, apply the website with johnsmith.com. Basically, then when you go into your computer and you type in www.johnsmith.com, the internet will go to mydomain.com server, pull this John Smith, and it'll also pull the website. It'll mostly just go to the website. You're not going to see that or that because these two are behind the scenes. It'll just pull the website onto your computer where you can view it in there. Um, And again, I lost my train of thought here. Again, this is free, but you do have to pay to host it. I'm not sure to get this or not. I'm trying to make it as simple as possible. Um, Now, there's also another way you can go about doing this, and then the other way would actually get rid of this right here, and it's a free alternative to some extent. Okay, so now I am going to draw a line here. So anything above here, I ignored for now. Let me erase this, disconnect it from the internet, unplug it. Again, I'm using a trackpad on my laptop, so it's not the greatest thing to be drawing on. Okay. Can I take this and put it over there for now? Okay. Okay, so now, let me put in another internet here. Again, that's your internet. Right there. And then your desktop is connected to the internet. Hopefully it is. Or else, again, you wouldn't be watching this video. Okay. Now, there is another way to host a website. And again, this way is free to some extent. Now, what you can do, actually, is instead just take this right here, have it on your computer, and again, you'd be usually, sorry, my throat is getting clogged up. Okay, anyways, sorry. Usually, in order to do this, you gotta create it from scratch, or you can use again an application that you'd have to install on your computer. Right now, I don't think I know any that puts it all together for you. Right now, I just only know like HTML editors and stuff like that. It won't fully create the website for you. Um, you do have to know how to put it together and stuff like that. But anyways, but once you get that, then what you can do is um, assign the URL to the website there. So then, so say this is the laptop and it's wirelessly connected to the internet. Okay, because most laptops are wireless. If not, you're old. Anyways, so say once you get your website hosted through your desktop, then what I can do is just go into my laptop, type in johnsmith.com, and it will go find it from your desktop and pull it up and show it on my web browser. The problem, though, is that the second you turn off your desktop, it's down. You can't access the website from a different computer that's connected to the internet, which means your desktop has to be running 24/7. So to solve that problem, what you could do is get a server and Um, you could probably find one from computer place, like an old computer place. You can probably get a discount on them. They're bigger than desktops, so they consume more electricity. But what you can do is instead, again, take website folders, put them on here, and assign it to this, assign it to server, and then the server will be connected to the internet. And what you can do in order to manage the website, you can either set up another monitor, mouse, and keyboard, or you can access the computer through wireless. Say this is wireless. That's if you're that's if both computers are hooked up to the internet or your router. You can access it through there and then manage it through that. Now, again, there's a downside to this. Um, since servers consume uh, more electricity, does that outweigh the cost of just setting up an account with mydomain.com or some other website or website hosting service to host your website? It's totally up to you. Again, if you do your own hosting, your computer or server or desktop or whatever has to be running 24/7. If not, you can't access the website. Which kind of stinks, like, if there's a lightning storm, you get power outage or something like that. Um, it's not good. But anyways, so that's pretty much my explanation of um, how websites work and if you can make one for free. Fact is you can make a website for free. It's just the hosting is where you have to pay. And then the hosting is what makes it so that other people can see your website. So it's kind of important. Um, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Uh, Again, if you have any questions about this, um, just email me. Um, Again, I'm trying to make this as simple as possible. If you see anything that could have improved, I said something wrong, um, again, email me, let me know, and I will try to fix that.